Hi everyone, I wanted to really quickly remind you how you can get into your book club crew and how you can do the collaborative document to prepare for your book club discussion. So what you want to do is go down to where it says people, and that gets you into groups. Now it looks a little bit different for you guys. However, when I go in as a pretend student, I can't actually get in to the actual group. So what you will see is whatever group you're in, you'll be able to click on Visit Group Homepage. And then from here, it should look pretty similar for all of you. So the homepage has any recent activity in it. But what I really want you to look at is down at the bottom of the page, it'll say collaboration, and it'll say current collaborations, and each group has a book club crew log that is shared by everybody in the book club crew. So you click on that and it will take you to the Google Slides. So it required me to authorize it the first time, but then you can go in and you can write down the crew members who are in your crew. You can make it your own. So if you decide as a group that you go, you know what, I don't really like this, I want a theme. So you could go in and say, we want to make it dark, or maybe we want to use one of these, right? So you can decide on a way of kind of making it more your own, if you like. It's not super important that you do that, but I think that can be fun. And then the book club crew log is worth 20 points. It's 5 per level. And so I want you to know that I am going to be grading this after your final meeting on November 10th. So you should be using it to prepare for each of your meetings. And also, if you do this, it will be preparation for Essay 4 as well. So I am kind of checking in on each of the groups to see if they've done it. If you haven't done this already, or even if you have and you've done it in a different form, it's important for you to write down the pages that you guys agree to read for each section. And then I have the book club crew job descriptions here again. And so for level 1, for instance, you want to write down who is the discussion director, who are the golden line finders, who are the theme synthesizers, and who are the summarizers. Okay, and so you would write their names in here for that first discussion. Whoever does the discussion director should fill out this slide. Whoever is the golden line finder should fill out this slide. Whoever is the theme synthesizer should do this. So I have a sense that some of you did this but just didn't actually put it into the slides. So I would like you to do that for level 2. And so go ahead and fill out who's doing what. And then if you're the discussion director, go ahead and put your questions in there. That way everybody can see them. If you are the golden line finder, you would do that. If you have more than one golden line finder, you just go duplicate slide, and voila, suddenly there are 2 of them. So I'm going to delete that just to not confuse the group when they come back to this. So you're just going to keep filling this out as you go on, and I would like you to do this in preparation for the level 2 discussion. And if you need to, if you haven't already, go back to level 1 and make sure that whoever had the role, fill it out. Now, if you happen to be missing one of these roles, you are not responsible for that, right? But for everybody who had a role, if you had questions, go ahead and make sure that you put them in here. All right, thank you. Have a good day.